Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must confirm you are the rightful owner or have explicit permission to access this WhatsApp account. Once confirmed, gather the phone's PIN or password and the linked Google or Apple account credentials. Start by trying the usual unlock methods, registered fingerprint, or the device's alternate authentication prompt. If the device shows a fingerprint sensor but won't accept your finger, make sure the finger is one that was enrolled. Otherwise, switch to the PIN/password option. Once the phone is unlocked with a legitimate alternate method, open WhatsApp and go straight to Settings Privacy Fingerprint Lock to disable or reconfigure it. If you cannot unlock the phone, use the platform recovery. Apple ID for iPhone or Google account for Android to reset the device lock following official steps. Be aware this may require device credentials and could erase data. Make sure to back up where possible before any reset, and never attempt third-party bypass tools. If you regain phone access, immediately check WhatsApp backups in Google Drive or iCloud and perform a restore after reinstalling if needed. Alternatively, use WhatsApp Web on a computer where your account is already active to export important conversations. If you remain locked out and you are the owner, contact device manufacturer support and WhatsApp support for verified recovery options. Troubleshooting tip: if a reset is required, confirm you have account email and passwords. Without them, a reset may permanently erase data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.